Hey y'all, happy Friday. Just got finished my workout. I hope y'all can hear me. It's the last one I had the speaker was facing down. But I took the yesterday off because my body was really sore from Thursday. And so I'm glad I did, because by today I was good to go. But I don't think I'm gonna do Chloe Ting's challenge. It just kind of reconfirmed, looking at other people's, that the exercise, nothing to bash her, because people did get great results from it, but I don't have time to be doing that. I mean, for 30 days, and you know, I get bored with it within the first week. Her exercises are very repetitive, even when you do back-to-back workouts. It's like some of the same exercises, and I get bored with that. So I researched some other people. I still got Arsenal by Kenyatta, which his stuff is always mixed up. And then somebody talked about Pamela Reif, and I looked her up, and I do like her workouts. She got something for everybody. She got 10-minute workouts, 8-minute workouts, 15-minute workouts, 20, 30, you know, and she mixes up the exercises in her workouts to where you don't get bored with it. And she also does, like, you know, intense, medium intense, so you know kind of what to expect. And I did her 20-minute full body workout, and it was an intense version, but I didn't know it was going to be intense, like no break intense. Like, she give you a break halfway through. It's a 20-minute, so after 10 minutes of going into each of the sets, not without stopping or break, at the 10-minute mark, she give you a 1-minute rest. And then from there, it's back to the workouts to the end of the video. So, yeah, and it definitely works up a sweat. It definitely kicks your butt. You know, she definitely hit the full body. So that's what I'll do. I maybe do another one of hers tomorrow, a shorter one. Along with my 300 jumping jacks. I did do that before. That's like my warm-up before I start the videos. So I think I'm gonna do a stretch, just to stretch my body out. Hopefully she'll have a short stretch, because sometimes those stretches be like a workout too, and I just want to do a quick stretch. So I'll take a look and see what she got. I'll catch y'all at dinner time. Happy Friday, y'all. Tonight I made sloppy joes for my kids. So I had these little street taco tortillas left. These are carb safe, so net carbs is only 3 for 2, and I have 4 here, so it's only 6 net carbs that I have here. I got my Fire yogurt, my sloppy joe mix, and I mixed it with the cream cheese spinach mix that I had last night. It was a tad bit left, so I just mixed it up in mine. And I have a salad here with some feta cheese and some ranch dressing. So this is my meal. I'm gonna have my 10 macadamia nuts and drink my water and get ready for bed. So I am breaking my fast. It's 8:52 p.m. and I'll be finished with my eating for the night at about 10 o'clock. So y'all be safe, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. Hey, happy Monday. Hope everybody had a great weekend and is safe. So I'm about to break my fast. It is 8:38. I've been fasting probably for over 20 hours, a little over 20 hours. So I'm gonna eat my little egg fluffs with some cheese first. Then I'll probably go into just eating the rest of my stuff. I have some pulled barbecue pork with some coleslaw, organic sour cream, some onions, avocado that I'm gonna put. I cut up 1 Carb Smart tortilla, and then my salad with it's a mixed green salad with MCT oil, a tablespoon, my avocado ranch dressing, and some feta cheese, and then my pistachios right there. So this is my meal for the night. And then once I finish, I have a 4-hour eating window, but I don't think I'm gonna eat anything after this, hopefully not. So until next time, peace. Don't forget to give my videos a thumbs up if you can watch it all the way through, to help my videos get into the analytics, because it's been sucking lately. But if you can do that, I greatly appreciate it. Everybody have a good night or good day wherever you are. Bye-bye. Hello, happy Tuesday. So today's recipe, I'm making zucchini boats. So what you need to do is cut the zucchinis in half, and then scoop it out, scoop the inside out. Once you do that, you put them in the oven on 425 and let them roast till they tender but not mushy. I guess these are about right, about 12 to 15 minutes. I roasted some peppers I'm gonna put in the food processor to put in my mix. So you need basil, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, ricotta cheese. I don't like ricotta, so I use sour cream cream cheese mixture. That's right here. And I mixed it up because it's soft. I'm gonna put these peppers in the food processor, and also the insides of the zucchini. You can cut those up and put it in the inside too. And I also have some chicken sausage that I'm going to put in there, and cauliflower rice for mine, and regular rice for my kids. So I'll be back. Okay, these are my zucchini boats. So these two are my daughters. She don't eat meat, so I just put the cheese, the peppers, and the cauliflower. I mean, what you call it? The cheese, the peppers, the rice, because I mix rice into it, and the chopped up zucchini that I had to scoop out. That's what's in hers. And the boys, I have white rice, the red roasted pepper, the cut up insides of the zucchini, and chicken, Italian chicken sausage with the Parmesan and the mozzarella mixed in. And then I just sprinkled mozzarella on top of all of them. And then mine's are these two right here: sausage, the roasted red peppers, cauliflower rice, and the inside sauces, the chicken sausage, and the insides of the zucchini that I had chopped up. So this is what the mix looked like. This is my mix with the cauliflower rice that I did separately. So I mixed theirs up, and then this is how the zucchini that I chopped up looks. So I'll probably make some roast stuffed peppers this week with the rest of this filling that I have, and for me and the boys, and that'll be it. So that is, I'll show y'all the finished product once it's done. Okay, I am back. So here's my zucchini boats. I just left them in the oven, so that's why the cheese brown, but I don't mind it like that, and they look so good. I hope they taste good as well. This is our zucchini boats. Cross the fingers that they taste good as they look. Bye. Hello. So I got my halibut fish here, pan seared, and my zucchini boat. It came out really good. The only thing that I would do different is that I may not roast it at all, or roast the zucchini for so long, maybe like 5 minutes, because it do get soft when you put the filling in and put it back in the oven. So yeah, it's really good. Keto friendly. Mine is made with cauliflower rice You don't have to put any rice in. You could just do the ricotta cheese, or I'll do a cream cheese, sour cream mixture with your red peppers and mix it up. So, I got my yogurt here with my blackberries and blueberries. So, this is dinner, Tuesday night dinner. Zucchini boats and halibut, Pam said halibut.